There we go.
I mean, I like it. I mean, like this area. Just walk up forward. Right.
Oh, I'll go middle.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah, so you can come. As soon as she serves, we switch. I mean, he serves. Oh, help, go. Oh, unlucky. You're right. Oh, Gomez. Oh, unlucky. Yo, it was good up. You got a high. Nice. Let's go. And the game begins.
Sorry.
You're right. Oh. Oh, let's go. Go! Oh yes, Lucy! Oh, good shit! Fuck you. Good fix. Mate. Oh dear. Is he front court? I don't know. Oh no, he's back court, yeah. Oh yeah, that's right. No, because he just served.
Yeah.
Who? Oh, Joe's, yeah.
Oh yeah, we won.
Oh, that's true. Yeah. Joe, I'm so glad you're on the ball. Go. Yes! Help. Ooh. Unlucky. Good up. What is it? Come. What is it? Play outside. Easy. Good work, Ness. I don't know what you did, but good work. Oh, good serve. Nice. Good shit. Good work. Huh? Oh, that's greedy. That's too many bicep curls.
One on the camera.
You wanted to erase their future. Oh, that's in. If that wasn't already obvious to everybody on the court. Aww. Oppo, outside, middle. Good serve. Oh, good serve, Dan. Let's go. Good serve. Good work, good work. Ba-ba-da, 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 ba-ba-da. Ba-ba-da, ba-ba-da, ba-ba-da. Oh, unlucky, unlucky. That's out. Oh, play middle. Yeah, yeah. Yeah. No, it's good. It's good. It's fine. Yes, I am.
Okay.
Yeah. So you're playing outside. You're playing upper.
Sure.
Wait, what? I'm outside?
Oh, good serve, Vanessa. I don't know. It's up to you guys.
I'll say it.
You say? Okay. Yeah. So play outside.
Okay.
Sure.
Oh, unlucky. Nope. Oh, run middle. Run middle. Yeah, yeah. So as soon as she serves, run to middle. Oh, okay. Yeah, okay. Go, Jordan. Yes, Jordan. Oh, unlucky. Unlucky.
I should leave that for you, hey. If you want to hit.
It's okay. I kind of do. Okay, okay. Yeah, yeah, okay. I closed my eyes where I hit, so I don't know what happened.
Oh, they call fake ball.
Okay.
I'll stay here or outside?
Go up. I'll block the ball.
In. Help. Outside.
Swing!
Nice, good fix. Oh. What was that? Oh, okay. Fuck. Fuck, my bad.
That's okay. Swing it.
Yes, yes.
Outside.
Nice.
Nice.
Good hit. I think it's my serve. My serve? Yeah. Yes, Jordan. Go out, go left, go left. Go, Jordan. Oh, help. Oh, unlucky. Yeah. So if there's a lot of power, just focus on not letting the ball go behind you. Yeah. It doesn't have to be good up. Because remember, I'm here, so I'm already really close to you. Oh, go, Jordan. Yes, Jordan. Yes, Jordan. Go left. That's out. Yo, yes. Good job. Good work. Mate, whose team are you on? Fuck.
Yes. Oh
dear. Oh, unlucky. Yeah. What the fuck is that sound?
I think it's a kid.
Sounds like seagulls. Oh yeah, go outside. Head outside. Oh, there we go. Is it just me? It sounds like seagulls. Good serve. Yes, good fix, good fix. Nice, good fix. Your serve? Yeah. Not too far?
I was straight. I was good. I jumped too late.
Oh, okay. Good serve.
Oh shit, sorry.
Nice, Jude. Oh, unlucky.
You spent the noise or something.
Let's go. He should stick to the toppy. Serve. Yes, John. Oh. Ah, I should have hit that. I should have hit that. Stay middle. Stay middle. I'll pass left. Yeah.
Why are you coming over here? My knee, bro.
Are you right side?
You just served.
Stay there. Stay over there. Stay over there. All the way to the right. Oh, unlucky. Rotate to middle. Same deal, same deal. So, yeah. Oh my goodness. It's okay. I got no problem with that.
In.
Good serve.
Man. Swing.
Oh, unlucky.
You just like 4 forward.
You want me to? Oh, tighter?
I'm transitioning and then the ball coming behind me.
Yeah. Okay.
Actually, no, I'll keep on doing it anyway.
Okay. Oh no! Fuck. Well, that was a dud.
It's all on his head.
Huh?
Your fault, bro.
I know. Fuck. Ugh. Oh yes. Mama. Good stuff. Yo, good save! Fuck off! Get fucked! That was good shit. Yeah. No, that's alright. Get in the fit. Go. Yeah, pull. Yes! Oh my god, good work, boys. I'm pushed. Oh! Oh! That's unlucky. No, I think that was in. Maybe. Oh, I don't know. No, you're right. So just if it's like really, really hard and flat, just make sure it just goes up and doesn't go behind you. Don't worry about where it's gonna go, just make sure it doesn't go behind you. Oh, it's already so powerful, it's just gonna go up anyway. Yep, Jun, yes! Yes, Jun! Hey, that's it. Good stuff.
Was I in the way? I think so.
Yeah, but I don't know. It's just like in the middle of volleyball, shit happens. Help! Oh, go left.
Yeah, I'm up.
Oh, fuck off. Ay, ay, ay. Okay. So what? You were playing outside on that one, and then you were gonna play middle.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Okay. All right. Fair. Oh! Fuck yeah! Good shit. Fucking hell. Fuck me. That was a money.
Jealous.
No. What goes up must come down. Good serve. Oh. Yeah, word.
Other one.
Oh, fuck. Fuck. Unlucky.
Outside.
Oh my goodness. Good save. Yes! D! Oh! Not bad. Unlucky. Good save, D. Huh? Yes! Go! Get up! Oh, unlucky. Good take. So, if you take the first one, just yeah, scram, because I got it. Especially if it goes right up on top of you. Oh, unlucky. Move your feet first. Yeah, get underneath the ball first before you yeah. Good stuff. Good work. Oh! There's an auction down there. There's space. There's an auction. They're selling land. Well, it's vacant. Oh.
I normally don't. I'm going to play again.
Okay. I'm over here. Good serve. Up, up, up. Oh, Delia! I like it. Yo, good take. Holy shit. Good take. Yeah. Oh yeah, you're over there. I can do it's over there. Fuck. You're right.
Stay. Stay.
Yeah, yeah.
No, go on now.
Oh,
Yeah, nice. That's a kill.
right back at you. That's beautiful. That's beautiful. Yep. I like it. I like it. Oh, that's my bad. Ay, ay, ay. Help. You okay?
Yeah, I did that.
Did you hit your shin?
No, no, no.
Okay.
I saw myself.
Okay, that's good. Oh my god! Go. Out! Mate! Fuck! Holy shit! Oh. Okay, I'm going middle. Oh, good serve. Yes, Dan. So when you're backcourt, if you see that the ball's not going to you, defend on your own passer. Free. So for example, if I'm taking the first ball and you're over here,
Yep.
and you see that I'm taking it right, you can run behind me, because if I fuck up, then you can defend on me. Does that make sense? Oh dear. That's my bad.
I need to get back to the feet first.
Yeah.
Is that or was it getting ready?
Yeah. Run middle. Short. Oh god. Oi. I don't know. Fuck. Oh, short ball. Oh my god, yes, dude. Oh, unlucky.
Nice.
Yeah. Does that make sense though? Because it's like if you see me passing and then I fuck up.
Oh gosh.
Oh, there's no way. There's no fucking way.
This is karma for making fun of me all day. Literally karma.
Oh my god. Fuck. Yes. Oh, unlucky. You're right. It's alright. Just remember when you're hitting, elbow up high, and then hand behind your neck. Yeah. Ooh. Oh. Take it.
Help.
Free. Oh my goodness. Oh. Oh, I should have just hit that. Come on, man. Oh.
Oh, good block. That's perfect.
Remember to go middle?
Yeah.
Go middle. It's so, yeah, just run middle. Oh, nice, Jun. There we go. Nice, Jun. Good shit. Serve. Oh, Jun. Let's go.
That's nice. So good.
Yeah.
2 minutes? Nah, leave it. In! Help!
Mate.
In! Help! Tin. I got it!
Ooh. Unlucky. Were you on your heels a little bit? Oh, okay.
I think it was just the wrong direction.
Okay.
I got it!
Oh my god. Fuck. That is my bad. Nice.
Help! Come on!
No, I should be closer.
Oh, is that mine? I think it's mine.
Yeah.
Ooh. Oy. Oh, let's go. A Wimbaway. Oh, take that. Oh. Unlucky. You're right. That was a good touch. That was good up.
Outside.
Ooh. Unlucky. It's okay. Just don't swing for the fences if you know it's off. That's it. Because who knows? If you keep it in, you might get another set. Oh, Mark, good. Oh dear. Oh, nice. Good hit. Good take, man. You know what I mean? If you keep it in during the same point, you know, sometimes you just live to die another day. That's it. Oh dear. Oh, good set. Oh, nice. Let's go. Good serve, good serve. Yo, gabba, gabba. Go, go, go. Nice. Nice. Oh dear. Bang, bang, bang. Good shit.
Head.
That was a good hit. Where am I? Oh, I'm pushing you up.
This one stay outside there.
Yeah, yeah. Hit outside. Cool. Oh, good serve. Oh, good shit. Blah. Blah. Yes, Joseph. Nice. Good shit. Yo, good serves. Surf's up. Oh, debated. Debated. You got this. You got this, Jun. Did you ask me if I wanted it? Because I don't. Oh, you got. Let's go, Jun. Oh, that's in. That's in. That's in. I like it. It is. It's a good serve.
Okay. You guys okay? Keep on playing?